In this video, I'm going to be talking about my book launch and my new pen spinning course that you can get for free for a limited time only. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you're all doing really well, and I've got a couple of big announcements to make in this video. So firstly, let's begin with the book. So I'm really excited to finally announce that my book is being released in the USA on the 30th of November. I've already mentioned the book quite a few times on this channel, but for those of you who don't know, inside I teach over 50 mind-blowing magic tricks with cards, coins, and everyday objects that you can take with you to any social situation and basically amaze whoever you're with. So the book is aimed at beginner and intermediate magicians and teaches everything from making cards appear inside oranges, to impossible and visual coin tricks, to some really fun stunts like cracking an apple open with your bare hands. So most of the tricks also have QR codes that you can actually scan, which then takes you to a video of me performing the trick, which just makes learning everything so much faster and easier. In my opinion, there's really no other book like it on the market, and it's only about $13 for the pre-order, and of course it really does help support the channel if you get it. Secondly, because I want to give you as much value as possible for supporting me and supporting the book, I've decided that every single person who gets the book between now and when it's released on the 30th will get my new pen spinning course 100% for free. So if you've ever wanted to learn these crazy pen spinning moves that I do in lots of my videos, as so many of you have asked me about, then I'm going to teach them all to you in my new course, Pen Spinning Pro. This is the ultimate pen spinning course, which will take you from having never spun a pen to doing stuff like this. And again, if you order the book now, I'll be giving you early access to this course 100% for free, so stay until the end and I'll show you exactly how to get it. Thirdly, everyone who pre-orders the book will get another bonus called Magic Scripts Pro. This is a 6,000 word PDF where I give you word for word the exact scripts that I use when performing the card tricks in the book. So how do you claim all these bonuses? Well, all you need to do is click on the link down below to pre-order the book, then send me an email to this address showing that you've pre-ordered it. This can just be a screenshot of your order confirmation with your order number, and I'll personally check it, and then on the 30th, when the book is launched, I'll email you back with access to the pen spinning course and the script document. If you're not in the USA, then you can still pre-order the book on your own version of Amazon, and everything still applies to you. Any questions, please leave them down in the comments or email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for all the support, and more normal magic videos will be coming very soon.